Scramble, scramble, scramble.
Oh! I almost were like... Oh, wait, we have infinite time.
That's why I've been studying a lot of people shooting. Thank you guys for watching. This is awesome, isn't it? That's what you.
Hello, Tanner.
Nope. No face shots, guys. No face shots.
Brain's doing it on purpose.
Hey, I got found the face that you complain.
No, Sam, stay in here. Everybody stay in here. Brandon, stay in here. Tell Hayden to stay in here.